Meher Baba Universal Spiritual Center in the period of 1983 to 2012. That means 29 years. What happened in MBUSC? I just want to read all those things, what developments have happened here. So 1983 నుంచి 2012 వరకు అంటే కరెంట్ ఇయర్ ప్రస్తుత సంవత్సరం వరకు ఆ బైరమంగళలో అంటే మెహర్ బాబా యూనివర్సల్ స్పిరిచువల్ సెంటర్లో జరిగినటువంటి ఆ డెవలప్మెంట్స్ గురించి బ్రీఫ్గా చదవడం. On 27th June 1983, agreement has been signed with Sri Muniyappa, owner, to pay 50,000. 9 buildings were completed and 3 buildings were completed only up to C level. On 8th August 1983, office bearers of the trust was chosen. Sri Chinta Sarwarao, President, Dr. H.P. Balocha, Vice President, Sri K.K. Ramakrishnan, Secretary, Sri V. Devarao, Joint Secretary, Sri Kalyan Rao Joshi, Treasurer, Sri R. Venkobarao, Joint Treasurer, Sri Y. Manikya Rao, Member, Sri M.B.G. Sastri, Member, Sri S.D. Lalit, Member, Sri Muniyappa, Member, Sri H.S. Hanspal, Member. On 11th August 1983, property has been registered in the name of Meher Baba Universal Spiritual Center, MBUSC. On 24th August 1983, Sri R. Venkobarao and Srimati Lakshmi Bai have been started staying at MBUSC. On 16th May 1984 and 17th May 1984, program was held at Town Hall, Bangalore, and Sri V.D. Zetti, former Vice President of India, presided in this program. On 25th February 1985, function was arranged at Baramangala in a grand scale. Free marriages were conducted, cloths were freely distributed, fruits were distributed at the government leprosy hospital and TB hospital in Bangalore. On 25th February 1986, same as in 1985. On 16th and 17th May 1987, inauguration of MBUSC function was arranged at Town Hall, Bangalore, and also at MBUSC, Bairamangala. 23 American Sufis have been attended the program. On 25th February 1988, Baba's birthday was celebrated and fruits were distributed at the leprosy hospital and old age home in Bangalore. On 17th December 1989, completion of 3 incomplete houses and Golden Jubilee was celebrated at MBUSC. 2 Americans were attended the program. On 17th December 1990, Foundation Day was celebrated. During the years 1991 and 1992, discussions regarding the central building. During November 1992, Sri M.R. Achyuta, architect, Bangalore, has agreed to prepare the plans, designs, etc. required for the central building and also to supervise the construction work free of cost. On 21st March 1993, visit of the architect and others to Mehrabad and Pune to finalize the drawings. On 26th April 1993, Bhumi Puja was performed for the commencement of the central building construction work. Sri K.K. Ramakrishnan started staying at MBUSC. During the year 1993, additional land at south and east of MBUSC to the extent of 1 acre and 26 guntas was purchased and registered in the name of Sri K.K. Ramakrishnan. On 17th December 1994, inauguration of central building, 70 American Sufis and two Western Baba lovers have attended the program. On 27 October 1995, Mr. Pascal Kaplan and his group, totally 4 persons from USA, visited MUSC. On 17th December 1995, Foundation Day celebrated. On 17th December 1996, Foundation Day celebrated. Brother Allobaji visited MUSC. Original plan of MUSC prepared in 1939-40 was received from USA. ISBN membership was obtained. On 30th January 1997, Souvenir and Glory of Meher Baba were released at Mehrabad. During the year 1997, lands around MUSC are acquired by KIADB for industrial development works. On 17th December 1997, Foundation Day celebrated. On 17th December 1998, Foundation Day celebrated. On 16th and 17th December 1999, Diamond Jubilee celebrations, Brother Bauji, Chairman of Avatar Meher Baba PPC Trust, Ahmednagar, has visited MUSC. A beautification work of Meher Baba's room was completed and inaugurated by Brother Bauji. On 17th December 2000, Foundation Day celebrated. On 17th December 2001, Foundation Day celebrated. On 17th December 2002, beautification of Sai Baba's room was completed and it was inaugurated by Dr. G.S. Murthy Ji. During November 2003, His Excellency Sri T.N. Chaturvedi, Governor, Karnataka State, has visited MUSC. On 17th December 2003, Foundation Day celebrated. From 16th December 2004 to 19th December 2004, completion of 50 years of Avatar Meher Baba's visit to MUSC, that means from 1954 to 2004, 4 days Sabha. His Excellency T.N. Chaturvedi, Governor, Karnataka State, has attended the Savas. Some repair works are taken up and completed to arrest the leakage. Cement concrete block pathway work was completed. Multi-purpose building work started. Painting works of all buildings completed. 12 persons, American Sufis, attended the program. On July 2005, second Sunday program has been started at MUSC. On 16th December 2005 and 17th December 2005, Foundation Day celebrated. During the year 2006, letter has been sent to Baba lovers in India for funds to complete the balance works of multi-purpose building. On 17th December 2006, Foundation Day celebrated. Brother Joel P. Dastur, Dolly Dastur, Sridhar Kelkir and Sam Kerawala from Mehrabad have attended the program. On 17th December 2007, Foundation Day celebrated. From 2006 to 2008, funds started coming from Baba lovers in India for completing the balance works of multi-purpose building. On 23rd October 2008, construction of caretaker's house and watchman's house started. On 17th December 2008, Foundation Day celebrated. On 9th May 2009 and 10th May 2009, 2 days, a Savas program has been arranged. Inauguration of newly constructed building, that means multi-purpose building, caretaker's house and watchman's house, 60,000 liters capacity underground sump. Sri L.B. Thade from Ahmednagar along with his family have been attended the program. On 17th December 2009, Foundation Day celebrated. During the year 2009 and 2010, all the balance works at a multi-purpose hall, caretaker's house, watchman's house, some trimming of the lawn, etc. are completed. On 17th December 2010, Foundation Day celebrated. On 24th February 2011 to 2000 on 24th February 2011 and 25th February 2011, Avatar Meher Baba's birthday was celebrated. Stitched cloth, notebooks and other stationery items have been distributed to about 100 school students. During the year 2010 and 2011, appeal has been sent to selected Baba lovers for taking up compound wall work on north and south sides of and the leak-proof treatment to 10 numbers of 70 old buildings, including beautification works. On 11th December 2010 and 12th December 2010, special Sahas program and talk on God Speaks is arranged. Sri P.D. Pofale from Kalyan, Mumbai, along with their family, total 7 persons, have attended MBAC and explained God Speaks in Hindi and English with Kannada and Telugu translation by our local Baba lovers. On 15th July 2011, leak-proof treatment to 10 numbers of 70 years old building commenced. On 17th December 2011, Foundation Day celebrated. And details of other programs held at MBUSC. From July 2005 till date, regular programs of second Sunday of every month is organized. On 9th and 10th of July every year, Avatar Meher Baba Silence Day celebrations are organized. On 25th September 2012, civil works of beautification of 10 numbers of old building